Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a jeans pocket. This is beginners friendly, I tell you. So these are the things I'll be needing. So I'm using this double thread. I'm going to be doubling it on my machine. So let's go to the sewing machine. So now you're going to place the denim on the Pocketti and cut out the shape, as you can see. So after that, you place the Pocketti on the denim. You can sew from that part, but I like to sew from the denim part. So you keep sewing. Make sure you follow the copper. Just sew quarter because you don't want your pocket to be too wide. So 0.25 is okay. So you notch so that it can lay well by the time you turn it over. So now, after that, you open up and top stitch. You can see the way I'm top stitching here. So after top stitching it, you still fold it in. So you fold it in like this. You see, because I notched it, it's not easy for me to sew. I'm gonna be sewing twice on this, just like you see on the jean trousers. So first of all, I'm gonna sew close to the tip, if not the tip, yeah. So after that, I'm gonna go in again and sew. So I'm gonna sew it again to achieve the double stitch. So this is what you have. So now you can see I've folded the Pocketti. This is what you have. But now you cannot leave the white part like that. So you have to place this pocket piece on it. So this is the watch pocket. Remember that tiny pocket you see on the denim, but it's always on the right side. But this tutorial, I think I'm using the left part of the pocket for this tutorial. So now this is the watch pocket. So you place it. I'm using 1 1/4 away from the top and 1 1/4 also away from the side. You can even use 1 inch, but I prefer to use 1 1/4. So the measurement for this coin pocket is 2 inches because normally it's not designed to hold something big. That's why it is called watch pocket. So now you sew because it's a denim, so you're sewing twice. So after sewing this, you cut out the threads on it and trim off the excess of the watch pocket, so you can see. So before you place this on this, you have to serge the edges. Make sure you serge the edges. I didn't do that because I didn't want this video to be too long. So you sew. After serging it, that's when you place it on this part of the pocket and sew. So you can see how it's turning out. Isn't this beautiful? So now you place it like this, and sometimes you don't need to curve the inner pocket. You just need to make it straight. So you will just sew it all the way down and hold it up there. So this is it. You can just weave that part or you sew it the way you sew your normal Pocketti. So this is what we have. Thanks for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.